Hi, my name is Brandon Harris. I am in Donald Hardaway's ITM class section 2010-03. Today we will be discussing the topic of data analytics. According to ori.hhs.gov, data analysis is the process of systematically applying statistical and/or logical techniques to describe and illustrate, condense and recap, and evaluate data. The components that make up data analysis are data analytics, data mining, and cognitive computing. Data analytics, data mining, and cognitive computing are interrelated with one another and are the three cornerstones to data analysis. Now, let's dive into each category to see what specific task each one plays and how they all connect betwixt themselves. The first step in the process of data analysis is that of data analytics. What.com said it very well. Data analytics is a science of examining raw data with the purpose of drawing conclusion about that information. What sort of impact do the conclusions that are found have to offer the business world and sciences in correlation with it? From the conclusions rendered by data analytics, businesses are able to make better decisions that will have positive impacts on the company and their customers as well. As for the science that goes into the business world, data analytics may allow scientists to approve or disdain future or past models and theories of the business. This is good for the business because the more structurally sound the models and theories are behind a business, the more the business can accomplish easier and the more it can provide the customer with a customer-centric experience. Data analytics is very much the rock that holds data analysis in place. The examination of raw data brought in through collections of data and the conclusions stemming from the data point businesses in the right direction in terms of their business models, and theories allow businesses to make the best decisions for its company and for its customers. It is these sound models and theories that permit business to attain the utmost level of efficiency possible. All of that info goes into those intelligent business decisions is not already in terms most people may be able to understand. Before the information is ready to be looked at and built upon, it must first be accumulated. That's where data mining comes into place, because without data mining, there would be no data analytics. Data mining is a collection of strict and focused bunches of information. Miners are able to find unseen correlations and connections in massive amounts of data using state-of-the-art software. It is their findings during this process that allow the formulation of better business models and theories for the analytical part of data analysis. Data mining software such as Mozenda allows for miners to easily sift through staggering amounts of data while compiling all of the likely unseen relationships that are hidden in the information from the web. Once the information has been collected and translated in terms that the everyday user may be able to understand, it is ready to be applied in whatever way it is deemed most beneficial. What exactly is this cutting-edge technology looking for during the mining process, though? Data mining's main goals are to find associations or find patterns or connections hidden in the past findings deriving from the software being used. Sequence analysis, the search for links buried in the data found in the associations, to classify the information, or to continue to explore new arrays of information to find new connections and correlations in further data sets. To transfer the new data found into visual aids that may be understood and grown upon, known as clustering. And lastly, to use the information found to forecast or to formulate predictions regarding possible future events and figuring out appropriate ways to react when those time comes. Without data mining, there would be no data analytics. Through software that scours the web collecting all the data it possibly can and translating it into ways everyday people may be able to understand it using associations, sequence analysis, classification, clustering, and forecasting, we are better able to utilize and understand data analytics. Like 2 quarters get you a gumball. When you combine data analytics and data mining together, it gives you cognitive computing, which is where all the fun truly starts to begin. From an article titled Cognitive Computing involves self-learning systems that use data mining, pattern recognition, and natural language processing to mimic the way the human brain works. Cognitive computing is a thinking and learning computer system descended from data mining and data analytics. Machines learn how to apply algorithms to data as well as create new algorithms which may allow the computer to foresee possible future scenarios and therefore devise new models on its own to nullify any possible future issues. Cognitive computing is a direct result of collaboration between data analytics and data mining. It is a learning and ever-evolving computer system that has the same learning capabilities as the human brain, only at an accelerated rate and competency of a computer system. One of the best, if not the best, examples of a cognitive computing system is that of IBM's Watson. Listed is all of the cutting-edge technology that goes into such a computing system, such as Watson. But what exactly does Watson do and what are its benefits? Watson is a question-answering machine. Through the state-of-the-art technology that makes it up, it is readily available to answer even the most tantalizing questions. There is little debate about this topic as Watson challenged two of the greatest minds on earth in a for-fun game of Jeopardy! Here are the results. Watson challenged the two top-ranked Jeopardy! Players known as Ken Jennings and Brad Rutter, and during the entire duration of the game, Watson, like the other players, had no internet access. The picture of the results speaks for itself, how head and shoulders above Watson was its contestants. There was a give and take in the game, though. Where Watson's retrieval abilities were trivial for it, its comprehension seemed to lack drastically as compared to that of the human. However, as Watson is a learning computing system, it was able to figure out its errors and eventually correct its faults. Thank you very much.